in the microwave.
Oh,
yeah.
shit. That is awesome.
Okay, so I'll do that one for 10 seconds.
Oh, that smells terrible. Oh, good God.
What's it look like?
Let's flip the light on. See what it looks like.
It's 10 seconds right there. So that's disc 1, 10 seconds.
Thank you, Sony.
Open up the window, it's okay. It's not too bad.
Yeah, but it still stinks like ass.
It's not terrible though.
I didn't say it was terrible. It does stink.
It doesn't smell great, but it's not like horrible. So the next one I'll do for 20 seconds.
Alright.
If it gets bad, I'll just keep doing them. I want them to progressively get worse though, so maybe.
Alright.
So this one I'll do for 15 actually.
There you go.
That one's for 10.
That's really cool. Or just sparkles like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool as hell.
Watch this blow up. That would suck.
Oh, that was sick.
Oh, God, that. Dude, that's just like if you burn look at this.
It's like if you burn plexiglass.
Wow.
So maybe the other ones I'll just do less. You know, so I have a gradation of them. So I'll do one for like 5. This one will be the worst of it all.
And
that one, I don't want to be worse than that.
Okay, so that was disc number 2?
Yeah.
Alright.
Thank you, Sony, for doing this.
You feel it?
Is it hot?
Yeah. It's not too bad though.
Oh, okay.
Oh, dude, that feels
That's
so
awesome.
balls.
It almost just feels like you just like did a bunch of like tack welding on it.
That's cool as hell.
I'm gonna go for 20, just see what happens. And that'll be the worst one.
Okay, but it's gonna stink, dude. First one's right here. Still pretty warm. Well, not really warm, but.
See, I wanted to see my frustration. Let's go for 20. Let's just see what 20 does. Because that was 10, that was 15.
So we're gonna go for 20. Alright, 20 seconds. That's the hood on the thing. Oh, that's not a life. I can't see that. It's not a life safety device.
No life safety. If you're drowning in the ocean, this will not fit.
Yes!
Whoa, oh, shit.
No, that was just the thing moving. That does smell bad.
It's like
though.
earthquake.
Yeah.
Look at the blue ones that come after. Okay, yeah, this is going to be the longest one we can do.
Bad.
This is bad. Okay, I'm not going any longer than that.
Oh, it's like melting. Oh, that's weird. Woo-hoo.
Okay, that's the longest I'll go.
Oh, God, that was. Whoops.
Yeah, that's the longest we can go right there.
That's yeah. I wouldn't even go that long. That's terrible. What are you doing this for? Or are you just doing it
For art. For an art project.
Oh.
It's about my frustration when my computer broke down. Yeah. Having to reinstall the Windows and stuff.
falls. Oh, that one got owned.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I bent it up too.
When he pulled it out, it was just like liquidy and melty.
So the other ones I'll do less. So this one was 10, that one was 15, that one's 20. So I'll do 7, a 5, and a 2. 7, a 5, and a 3. That'd be crazy, I think.
15, 20.
Here's 7. Just barely.
That's so cool.
They all gotta go at least like 5 before they do anything.
Yeah.
So maybe I'll do 7, 6, and 4 on this one or 7, 5.
7.
Let's see 5. I want one where it's just after it explodes. This one will be 5.
Just ready to pop it right when it starts to.
Well, that's good. So then the next one I'll do 3, because right after like 3 seconds it cracked.
You said that one was 5?
That one's 5. Yeah.
This one's 5.
That's so toxic. Okay, this is the end of it though. Nice.
3 seconds is the perfect time to fry a CD.
Yeah, you can't even feel the surface on this.
Really?
So yeah.
It's like nice and
So
smooth.
see how it's got like the transition
Oh,
from
no
that.
way, that's awesome.
Yeah.
It's like perfectly smooth still.
Cool. Yeah, you just hit it. So now I'm gonna do something with
That
these.
one you can feel it like bubbled up just a little bit just on certain parts there.
Mhm.
So you got 3, 5, 7,
10,
10,
15,
and
20. Look at 20 though.
20.
Look at, I fucked it up after it though. We gotta get this paper off. Water. Water doesn't like paper, but it likes plastic. Water like paper. Would be fun. Would be water. Would be water.
Just in case we want to die.
Yeah, it's pretty bad in there, so.
Is it? To breathe.
Nothing?
Where'd you blow up?
Check the table. We didn't do shit.
What did you blow up? Check it out.
Check the table.
Check it out. What is that?
CDs.
What'd you do to them? Yeah.
Why?
Well, they do that.
That's why it smells